Currently working as a full stack developer and as a contractor in IBM.
Working inside Google, but I'm not really a Googler. I'm on a contract basis.
Welcome sa Valentine's episode. Nang sobrang late na.
Hi. Before we proceed with the video, we would like to thank our video sponsor, Accenture. Accenture is a leading global professional services company providing a broad range of services and solutions in strategy, consulting, digital, technology, and operations. Get to know more about Accenture in our upcoming event, YSES Week 2021 Sandbox. Starting on May 10, we will be conducting a week full of company talks, job fairs, coding competitions, and a K-pop themed QuizCon just for you. Make sure to check out her social media pages for the registration forms, and we will see you there.
So welcome to new episode in this video series na we're making called Career Paths. So basically, gusto namin i-share yung mga alumni namin sa YSES, ano yung mga naging work nila after they graduated from the computer science program sa UP Los Banos. For this episode, kita nyo naman ngayon, di ba? Usually, isang tao lang yung kasama ko. Pero ngayon, dalawa. Very late na Valentine's interview. Ayun, wag na natin patagalin pa. So, hello Ate Carms and Kuya Kim. Ayun, so would you mind introducing yourself?
My name is Carmela Garcia. Graduated in UPLB Computer Science. Also, I'm a member of the Young Software Engineers Society. Currently working as a full stack developer and as a contractor in IBM.
Ako naman si Kim Joshua Advincula, ex-DO ng YSES din. Batch 11. 5 years ako sa LB, so delay ako ng 1 year actually. So sa mga delay dyan, may pag-asa kayo huwag yung may hinahanap ako. Tapos, ComSci din.
Current work.
Oh yeah, current work. Technically, nag-work ako sa loob ng Google, but I'm not really a Googler. Pero, teammates ko is mga Googler din.
Ay, bakit po ba't po technically hindi Googler?
Kasi, contract basis.
Contract.
Ano po yun? Parang outsource? Ganun po ba ibig sabihin ng pag-contract?
Dito kasi sa SG, yung parang most probably, or most of the time, kung magkatrabaho sa SG through contract.
Okay.
Kasi merong mga tinatawag na mga quota yung bawat company sa employees nila. So, dumadaan sila sa iba-ibang mga manpower agencies para kumuha ng manpower ng tao. So,
Okay.
doon yung contracts.
Okay po, I see.
Pero yung interviews talaga,
Yung interviews talaga from the companies themselves.
So, Google Singapore po, Kuya.
Yep.
Ayan. So, our first question for today is, so can you tell us more po about yung mga naging work nyo before you went to Singapore? So, before Ate Carmela, ayun, went to IBM and Kuya Kim went to Google. So, ano po yung naging work nyo before going to Singapore?
ako sa Philippines, isang company lang before I went to Singapore. But I worked there for 3.5 years. I'm a Java developer from Java trainee tas naging Java developer. Ikaw.
Ako naman is, nag-work ako sa ASUS for like 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. Tapos, ayun, in-invite lang kami na mag-try dito sa Singapore, dun sa company na may wiser din na nagtatrabaho. So, parang nahatak kami.
Nahatak.
Well, ako pala.
Hindi ako sumama.
So nauna po si Kuya Kim na pumunta po doon. Okay. Kayo po Ate Carms, paano po yung kayo napuntang Singapore? Like, pinlano nyo po ba? Or hindi po?
Yeah, pinlano ko. Kasi actually, di ba nauna si Kim? Tapos after a year, parang, LDR. Anong matagal.
Okay,
so, nag-resign ako sa work ko, then pumunta sa Singapore, then naghanap ng work. And fortunately, nakahanap naman.
Dahil hindi na kasi namin kinaya.
Now na you've introduced yourselves, ayun. So, bale, ang gagawin po natin is, for each person, mag-a-ask po ako ng set of questions. So, si Ate Carms po muna yung una kong tatanungin. So, for Ate Carms, ayun. So, ano po ang ginagawa niyong work right now sa IBM? Web dev po, di ba? Yung work niyo? Ayun.
Yeah, pero yung role ko is full stack developer. But currently, I'm doing front-end task. Hanggang doon lang muna sabihin ko.
Okay pa.
In simple terms, yung front-end, yung mga nakikita nyo na interface, yung for example sa Messenger, yung nakikita nyo mga list, mga chat, chatting, mga ganun. Tapos yung back-end naman, yung may logic, with database, yun. Yung may ano ba?
Ngayon, Ate Carms, so marami rin po kasing, actually, parang majority ng programmers, di ba, sa buong mundo, parang interested po talaga sa web development. So, sa tingin niyo po, if you're a person who wants to have a career in web development, ano po ba yung mga skills na kailangan na i-develop?
For me, based from my experience, maganda na may alam ka sa Java and JavaScript. Actually, yung dalawang yun yung parang pinaka-core. Well, sa experience ka sa Java. Kasi mostly naman, naka-base sa, yung back-end naka-base sa Java, then front-end is JavaScript. Though right now, ang popular is yung Angular, React, and Vue. Pero mostly, sila. Kung may knowledge ka sa JavaScript, you won't have hard time to learn these frameworks. Ganon din sa Java, parang kung alam mo paano mag-code ng Java, you won't have hard time to learn other languages in backend.
Kapag po ba sa job interview, ate, for a web development na job, ayun, yung mga tanong po ba during the interview, ma-algorithm din po ba? Like data structures, ganon?
It depends Kung fresh grad ka, usually naman yung questions nila ay yung mga lessons sa college. Pero if may experience ka, based from my experience, yung mga question is, yung mga experience mo, like how did you handle this issue, or paano mo in-implement yung ganitong, for example, ganitong feature, yung may feature kayo na login, how did you implement login, mga gano'n na yung mga questions. Also, some naman nagbibigay ng programming assignments. Sa mga algorithms, sa experience ko, halos wala.
Okay. So for Kuya Kim naman, our first question for you is, napanood niyo na po ba yung movie na Internship? Do you think na this movie, yung Internship, portrays a realistic na work culture sa Google?
Actually, hindi ko na maalala masyado yung parang kung paano yung work culture nila dun sa movie.
Okay po.
Pero sa naalala ko, if you're talking about the openness of each individual to learn and to give ideas sa bawat isa, to help each other, then yes. For example na lang, dito sa Google, I'm working actually alone in the project as the sole developer of that application that I'm working on. Meron pa naman ako ibang teammates, pero sa ibang project yung ginagawa niya, ibang application, and not really related to mine. Pero every time na may problems ako, or meron akong gustong sagutin dun sa mga questions nila, we share ideas and we solve each other's problems. So, yeah.
So, nung nag-apply po kayo sa Google, dyan, sa tama po ba? Na-interview rin po kayo, di ba? Sa Google Singapore. Ayan. So, paano naman po yung, naging process nun? Paano po kayo apply sa Google Singapore?
Okay. So, funny thing, nung si Carms is naghanap ng trabaho, nakita niya opportunity na yan.
May nag-email.
May nag-email sa kanya.
Kay Kim.
Tapos, pinasa lang niya sa akin kahit na wala akong balak na maghanap ng company. Sinabi niya na it's for Google, so sige, try ko na lang.
For Ate Carms po talaga simula? Tama po ba?
Nag-email niya. May nag-email sa akin. Pinasa ko kay Kim kasi alam kong mas bagay siya.
Ayun, bale, about the interview, some companies like to search for people who can do algorithms and code on the spot solve problems. So they're one of those types of companies. Actually, kung mag-search ka naman sa Google, dun sa search engine na hindi na alam yan sa yun, kung ano yung search mo dun, yun na yun yung pagdadaanan mo. So if you're interested, mag-search ka lang sa Google kung paano ba. And sundin mo lang yung mga pinagsasabi ng mga tao doon.
Like, kung paano po yung process nila, paano sila nakapasok sa Google, ganun. So, kung ano po yung nasa Google, yung mga results doon, yung mga kwenta nila, yun po talaga yun.
Ayun talaga yun.
Ayun guys, so search nyo na lang sa Google. Ayun. Can you share with us po a notable work experience while working sa Google Singapore? Ayun. Meron po ba kayong share?
Ayun. Meron sila doon cafeteria, free food, free buffet every day.
Every day?
Oh, every day yan.
Wow.
Tapos,
Breakfast,
kompleto
lunch.
yan, breakfast, lunch, and then dinner din. Sobrang daming bacon, tapos iba-ibang cuisine. Like, merong local food, local Singaporean food, tapos merong mga food catering to Western. Meron din mga nag-cater for vegans, vegetarians as well.
Yung pagkain talaga nila.
Notable, diba?
Yun po talaga.
Work experience yan, promise. Pagdating naman sa work mismo, something notable. Sorry, masyado man nagawa sa food eh.
Ayun, sige, pagawa.
Tama naman, no? Diba? Pero pagdating sa work, I find it fun and fulfilling dun sa project na ginagawa ko ngayon because it's a tool that helps people with special needs, specifically for speech, yung mga people with speech impairments. Something related to that yung tool na ginagawa ko to help those kinds of people.
So, i-deploy po to sa Google? Tama po ba? Ganun. Like, everyone can use it in the future.
Actually, it's not the tool that I'm making that you'll be able to use or the people who have special needs are going to use, but it's the result of the tool that we've been making.
Okay, I see. Medyo research po ba siya? Ganun? Or hindi naman?
Yes.
Research nga. Mas more on research. Yeah, maraming freshman, ganun, na pumapasok sa comsci na hindi alam yung comsci. Ayun. And yeah, kahit until third year, ganun, even after all the subjects na we've taken, parang feeling pa rin namin hindi pa rin enough yung skills na we've developed. So, ayun po. So, the question po is, ayun nga, is this normal po? Na-feel nyo rin po ba ito nung undergrad kayo?
Honestly, undergrad, hindi ko masyado na-feel yan. I really think na may kaya ako, may edge ako sa iba. Ganon. Hindi, honestly speaking.
Hindi, that's okay lang po yan.
Pero after a while, lalo na while working, you'll understand na hindi ganon. So ngayon, since tinanong mo yan, yes, I feel lacking on what I can do kasi maraming mas magaling sa'yo. But it shouldn't hinder you from bettering yourself. So yes, kung na-feel mo yan ngayon, don't worry, mag-feel mo pa rin yan.
So it never ends, gano'n.
Mas mag-feel mo yan.
Hindi pala matatapos.
Pag pag working ka na and mapipil mo yan, hindi na siya yung feeling na na nakakatakot na you're not enough, parang ganun. Ano na siya, yung feeling na yun ay mas gusto mo nang mag-learn pa more every time na mapipil mo yan. Pero sa akin naman, nung undergrad, kasi parang average student lang ako. Like, Pwede lang, pumapasa-pasa lang.
Kaya na, gano'n.
Na-feel ko yan siya, lalo na before internship. Kasi wala akong idea kung ano yung magiging work talaga. Kung everyday ba magkakaroon kami ng Excel, parang mga ganun. Hindi naman lahat ng Excel madali, di ba? So parang, after internship, siguro kailangan niya munang daanan yung internship. Marirealize niya na, hindi pala siya mahirap. Masaya siya. Tapos yung pinaka-importante talaga na skill mo pag nag-work ka na is learning how to Google. as in kasi hindi mo kailangan i-memorize lahat kung paano ito gawin. Kailangan mo lang i-search yung solution. Pagalingan lang talaga.
Pagalingan maghanap.
Para sa mga feeling na hindi ka pa enough para sa programming, just know na kailangan mo lang magaling mag-Google. Tama lang, di ba?
Magaling.
Pero syempre, while in that process, habang nag-search ka naman ng solutions to different problems,
Natututunan.
may ingredients sa'yo.
Okay, so our last question po is, ano po yung message nyo for people who want to work in Singapore, so Google or IBM? So si Ate Carms muna.
Oh, nako. If you wanna work in Singapore, I mean, kahit anong company naman, you need at least 2 years experience. Tapos, make sure na your experience talaga is, hindi lang mga 50% of the time wala kang ginagawang task, mga ganun. Dapat on those 2 years, lalo na sa first 2 years ng pagtatrabaho mo, bibukid ka, willing ka to take difficult tasks. Kasi ang importante talaga sa field natin is experience. Kasi kung may experience ka, mas madali mo nang magawa yung ibang task.
Kayo pa, Kuya Kim.
Tama.
Tama. Agree.
Okay, so generally, ka lang, brush up on algorithms, data structures, mga time complexity, space complexity, ganyan. Kung ano yung inaaral mo sa college, intindihin mo na mabuti.
Ayun, so thank you so much, Kuya Kim and Ate Carmela, for your time today. So, sobrang insightful po ng interview. Ayun guys, sa mga nanonood ng video na ito, I hope you guys learned something new from this video. Ano yung process nila, paano sila naka-work sa Singapore. And hopefully, diba, makita na lang kayo nila ate and kuya sa Singapore, makikita na lang din nila kayo sa cafeteria ng Google, ganun, kumakain. Ayun. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. And yeah, we'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye!